Man, what's up, YouTube? I just got home. Riding the bike in the rain. I love it. I'm coming down from the rush of riding in the rain. Most people like to ride their motorcycles in the sunny weather. I like riding in the sun, don't get me wrong, but there is nothing like riding in inclement weather. Put it that way. I love it. I mean, I get a thrill from it. It's some people like to ride motocross. I used to ride motocross. That was a thrill. I'm too old for that now. But riding in the rain, the wind, the rain, it's a thrill. I know I'm probably sick in the head, but you just missed it. We had thunder and lightning, and the thunder that rolled through here, I mean, just shook the place. And it's been doing that the entire ride home. So I'm loving it. I'm hoping it does it again, because it's just it gets, you know, just it. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the rain on the roof of the shop. Come on, give you some more of that thunder and lightning. I just love it. But like I said, I'm coming down from the rush of riding in the rain. You make it home. You know, you're glad that you made it home safe, sound, and alive without any major incidents, but I like it. I love it. I just wish I had more riding gear, because now everything that I've got is over there, and it's all wet. And well, it's not soaking wet, but it usually takes about a day or so for it to dry out. I mean, I'm dry. I've got a couple of wet spots. My feet got wet, but the only reason my feet got wet was because I was wearing sneakers before I left work, and it was raining. And I got out of the truck and, you know, had to make my way across the paddock to the driver's lounge. So I got wetter walking in the rain than I did riding a motorcycle 35 miles in the rain. Because, you know, I mean, I'm wearing good gear, so it keeps me dry. You know, I could wear it again tomorrow and not have any problems with it. But I just like to let it dry, air out, and especially my boots. I need to treat my boots again to get them waterproof. You got to do that every once in a while. Come on, thunder, lightning. Doesn't listen to me. I wanted you guys to see it. It's just it's a blast. Gets the hair in the back of your neck. Just oh, come on, more. Okay, well, I just wanted to check in. I'm home. I'm safe. I don't know if I'm sound. Just enjoying the fact that I can kick back and relax in my shop. I've got room now. I can get in here, move around, do the things I need to do. I've got the refrigerator in here, but it froze my beer. One of them burst. Oh, it's not gonna do it for me. You want it to. Ooh, I heard something. A little rolling thunder. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Give me a flash. Give me a flash of lightning. It's great when it lights up the trees. Just I love this weather. It's thrilling. And I like the sound of the rain on the tin roof. I guess it's not going to do it for me. As soon as I turn off and sign off, it'll do it. I guarantee you, 100%. The second I pause or stop the video, it will do it. So I'm just hoping that it'll do it before I do that. You want to wait with me? Well, I guess I better cut it off, get in the house, get something to eat, get a shower, go to bed. Got to do it again tomorrow. Alright guys, y'all be well. Talk to you later. Bye.